All right, the final reason salespeople fail and the solution for all of it is number 8. They don't have the conviction of the founder. Man, that's a big one, right? They don't have the conviction of the founder. Think about just all the famous people in the world, right? The Walt Disneys, the Steve Jobs, think about the Richard Bransons, and I want you to just kind of, for a second, just kind of close your eyes and just kind of picture how they would, kind of sell their product or service. So, but think about like those founders that come and pitch the sharks at Shark Tank. Think about how passionate they are and the words that they use and how they clearly articulate, the value of what they're offering. So once you have a picture of that in your mind, you can hear those people. Now compare that to how you speak about what you sell. Compare that to how your salespeople speak about what they sell. Very different in some cases, isn't it?